Currently, despite the creation and use of various types of gas in industries and daily life, the use of firewood is still necessary. The use of firewood also helps to reduce the impact of exploiting other natural resources such as oil and gas. To make firewood more efficient, people often use tools to process it such as axes, homemade wood splitters, or larger industrial machines. Today, we will bring you a fresh perspective on this work. Don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to us. To help people use firewood effectively, processing firewood is extremely necessary. Depending on different industries and applications, firewood will be processed for different purposes. To save time and effort in cutting firewood, devices have been created to make this work faster and more efficient. So let's find out together. To produce small wooden bars for everyday use, the old pine tree is easily processed by the man with a sharp-toothed saw. After transporting them to his wood warehouse, the man stands behind the car cabin, holding an axe and skillfully chopping the large wooden bars into small ones according to his desired size. He works meticulously, delicately, and professionally. This work requires strong hands and sharp axes to help us process quickly and efficiently. The sound of the axe hitting the wood is the sound of labor and makes the atmosphere more lively and bustling than ever. It's so easy. In just a short time, the wooden bars are chopped and filled the men's warehouse. Do you see it? He feels very happy with his work. In the previous video, we saw the man using the strength of his hands to chop wood, while in this video, he is using a completely different, modern, and much faster device. With his deep understanding and knowledge, he has machined the metal parts to assemble a manual wood cutting and sawing machine. With his finesse and skill, he designs, cuts, grinds, and processes the parts precisely to ensure the efficient operation of the machine. Each part is separately processed before being assembled together. From the engine block to the cutting blade and saw table, each part is made from durable and sturdy materials such as stainless steel and alloys. The process of assembling the machine parts begins. After the parts are assembled together, they create a complete wood cutting and sawing machine. The machine is thoroughly tested to ensure efficient operation, precision, and high durability. As a result, the long wooden logs have been cut into small pieces under the smooth control of the craftsman. This is a modern wood splitting machine being used by 2 workers in the forest. The machine is equipped with a powerful engine, precise moving parts, and a tough steel splitting blade, making it easy and fast to split wood. Additionally, the machine is equipped with a large automatic wood loading system, making it easy for the workers to transport a large amount of wood. The machine starts working, with its powerful engine and sharp blades splitting each piece of wood into smaller logs. The workers simply collect the split logs and place them in a container until it is filled. It's very efficient, isn't it? Within just 30 minutes, a large amount of wood has been processed. Using this type of machine enables the workers to split wood in a large quantity, save time, increase work efficiency, and reduce fatigue during the work process. An industrial wood cutting and splitting machine is one of the essential equipment in processing a large quantity of harvested wood. Workers can use this equipment to cut large wood blocks into small pieces and split them into small wood strips with precise dimensions to meet production needs. This automatic wood cutting and splitting machine is equipped with a powerful engine, precise moving parts, and cutting blades made of hard steel to process wood quickly and efficiently. The automatic control system of the machine saves time and effort for workers while increasing production capacity up to thousands of pieces of wood per day. The machine is also equipped with a handle system and safety protection system to ensure the workers' safety during operation. With its convenience and efficiency, the machine helps workers save costs and increase productivity in wood processing. Therefore, wood splitting tools such as axes, wood splitting machines, etc. play a crucial role in processing firewood in daily life. Thanks to these tools, firewood can be processed quickly and efficiently, saving time and effort for humans and minimizing potential risks during work. That's all for our video. To get useful information about life, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos. Bye!